He seems to be shedding his winter coat well. Yes, the fur quality is excellent this season.
Control to Unit 3, you are cleared for Docking Bay Gamma. Copy that. Approaching the gate now.
Steady now, move him up! Watch the ramp, bring the next one forward.
We keep the world moving, day and night. This is the new standard of luxury transport. All clear on this side. Proceed slowly.
Roger. Maintaining speed. Bay 3 is open.
Welcome to the future of logistics. Precision, scale, and luxury. Redefining industrial efficiency, excellence, precision, and unparalleled care. Welcome to the future of luxury equine travel. Bring the next group down ramp 2.
Copy that. Watching the footing on the concrete.
Experience the pinnacle of modern equine luxury. A new era of care, delivered with precision and scale. Station 5, adjust the hose angle. Copy that, moving to the hindquarters now. All right, let's move into the scanning area. Easy now. Steady, just a few more feet. Good boy.
Look at the texture on this one. It's perfect. Perfect. Absolutely. Send it through.
Our unique washing process gently cleanses the leather, preparing it for its next life. Meticulously crafted by our skilled artisans.
The pressure looks good on the gauge. Agreed, the texture is perfect.
42 is secured in the trailer. Copy that. Send the next one in. The shipment is secured, Supervisor. Excellent. Let's prep the next pallet.
Bay 3 is clear for immediate loading.
Confirmed. Moving the next pallet now. Clearance confirmed. Please proceed slowly through the gate. Thank you. Drive safely.
The latest collection has landed. Experience the epitome of luxury, exclusively at our flagship store.
This one is lambskin, incredibly supple, a very popular choice this season.
It's beautiful. I'll take it. This fits perfectly. I absolutely love the texture.
It looks excellent on you, sir. Here is your jacket.
This is our signature bomber jacket. It just arrived.
The craftsmanship is stunning. I'll take it.